Hey guys, we are going to go shoot some Tannerite. I've never never shot any. My buddy gave me a little bit. We'll see what it does. Like I said, I've never shot any before. He didn't give me a whole lot. It's in a sweet tea thing here. That's what he gave me. So I'm just going to set it out in the field and shoot it. So I'm going to go over here and meet one of my buddies here, and we're going to set up and try to shoot it. We'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, we are almost over here to the field. I think I'm going to set it up on a bucket or something to see what it does to the bucket. I ain't really got anything else to maybe put on it, see if it'll blow it up or whatever. I don't know how much it is. I don't even know how big of a boom it's gonna make, but hopefully it'll make a big boom, and we'll see. Dude, that thing's little, man.
It's tiny. New video.
New video.
And action.
Let me get the bucket.
I think you hit the bucket.
I think I did too, because it looks like it's.
Alright, here's Peyton. Whoa!
Whoa! Got it that time. Where's the bucket?
Wow! There is no more bucket.
There's no bucket.
You got the bucket.
Oh,
Yes,
Dang,
the bucket
dude.
is gone.
did you see the smoke and then feel it?
I did. I
It
felt
went
it.
doof, and then
That is awesome,
No,
man.
the first shot was.
That much Tannerite, that is what it will do. So, that was pretty cool. I'd never shot any Tannerite before. That was quite awesome. There's no bucket left. It's gone, so no more bucket. But I thought that was awesome. I'd never shot that before, shot Tannerite or I mean, I've seen videos and stuff like that, but personally I've never done it before, and that was awesome. So like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. You guys have a good one.